So the first step is to recognize the situation, whatever situation is causing moral distress or compassion fatigue, for what it is. So you have to be aware of the complexities of the situation, the patient, the client, the care team, including what each person wants to happen and the emotions that can affect their perspectives. So a team member's first thought when they walk into an exam room may be that the situation reminds them of a past similar experience. There may be a temptation to shortchange the complexities of that whole situation. We prejudge people based on our past lived experience. If you aren't aware of it, it just happens automatically. It's a mental shortcut, right? The problem is that's an old narrative. That's an old story. It doesn't apply to the current moment, and it's probably going to hurt you more than help you. The second important part about recognizing is understanding that in any interaction, there are multiple perspectives present. And if you are providing a service for a client, your perspective is not the most important one. That tends to rub a lot of people the wrong way. And if you're in your ego, if your ego's running the show, then you are rubbed the wrong way. But that's information you can use, because in truth, unless you are aware of what's going on, it's hard to get into the perspective of the other person. So in order to make room for other people's perspectives, you need that in order to gain information about the situation. And this is where I come back to using empathy in the right way. We as veterinary professionals are really good at the emotional response. We're really good at feeling bad about things. We feel bad that the client doesn't have enough money. We feel bad about the diagnosis. We feel bad that they're a single mom. We feel bad, we feel bad, we feel bad. That's not helping us. It's not helping you. You have to engage in perspective taking, which is a cognitive exercise. And you have to imagine what that person is thinking and feeling and how that's going to affect how they operate in the current moment. The best way to do that is to ask open-ended questions, invite story from your client, and really listen. Develop the skill of listening.